Here we've got some heritage farming action where we've got a Field Marshal being started with a cartridge. He did have a go actually winding it by hand beforehand. That's why I used the cartridge. Then we've got the Thresher and a baler attachment at the end. And this was all at Chatsworth Country Show, filmed just at the end of last week. And the Field Marshal's actually originally made in Marshall's Yard, which is in Gainsborough, which is very local to me. Think about one machine can do pretty much all of this. I've even had some footage from America where they've got a baler behind the combine. So yeah, this is how it used to be done in the old days. Let us know what you think.